We got more Honda bling right here. I got more hats than I know what to do with.
Authentic Honda hats from the Honda booth.
This is authentic. This ain't that Chinese crap.
You gotta bleed red to get these.
You gotta bleed red, Honda red. Go Team Honda. Them bikes had character, man.
I mean, what even about the vintage one here, the 1100, the 1000 pulling the bush deck? It had a good hitch made for it.
Yeah.
So it's basically.
I mean, this is serial number 2, right here.
Go ahead. Yes, sir, go ahead.
Serial number 2. Not 200, but 2. I want to sit on it so bad I can't stand it.
Look right here. Look right here at the seal number. GL1-1000002. The second one to ever come off the line.
Wow, that's incredible. Incredible. I want it.
I don't know if I could ride this one though.
Oh, I could.
For being number 2 off the line.
Yeah, I could.
There's a lot of history right here.
Right. Fantastic. You're Pistol Pete?
Yes, sir.
I'm Mike Payne, Memphis Mike.
Hi, Mike.
YouTube. It's good to meet you finally. Yes, sir. Good to meet you.
Yes, sir.
These are gorgeous, man.
Thank you.
These are gorgeous. Are these all bikes that you've done or just friends that have kind of contributed to the show? Or?
This one I restored.
Okay.
For the owner who lives out in Idaho.
Okay.
And my daughter and I, when Moose was with me,
yeah,
we did this restoration.
Wow.
And this was a total labor of love.
I bet. I bet.
Had more fun doing this job.
It's gorgeous. Now, all these bikes like this, would you ride them from here to California and feel confident that?
Not being mine, but let me tell you a little happening on this one.
Okay.
After I restored it, had it all done, ready to run, ready to go for a test drive, I took it out and I went straight to the tail of the Dragon.
Wow. Sweet.
Got in them curves, went over there, parked it, and here I am, you know. Hey guys, I got serial number 2. Who gives a shit?
Yeah. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. So what I mean, what is, for my YouTube people, if I put this on YouTube, what exactly do you do? I mean,
I do 75 and, excuse me, GL1000, GL1100 carburetors.
Okay.
And that's it.
Okay.
I used to do anything.
Everything. Body work.
Well, I used to do restorations. I used to do it all.
Okay.
But not able to do it anymore, so I just backed off, and all I do is carburetor work.
So if a person has a bike, a 75, 76, or
a GL1000 or a GL1100,
okay,
I'm the guy that can do your carburetors.
Okay.
Because what I do is I test the carburetors on my test engine.
Okay.
And they don't leave my shop unless they're running my engine perfectly.
Okay.
So
wow.
Nobody else does that.
Right.
So another big question would be so you see a lot of single carb conversion on the bike. Mm-hmm. Is that a good way to go, or is it better to go ahead and rebuild the quads?
I'll tell you a story. When Honda made this motorcycle, they made it with the intent of being a niche bike. They were going to find some place in the industry where they could sell these motorcycles.
Yes, sir.
And one of the niches that they were trying to approach was 0 to 60, a quarter mile.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, when they went up against the fastest motorcycle, the Z1 900, it was 0.2 of a second slower. Okay. And the fastest quarter mile bike was the Z1. Well, you know where the Z1 went, and you know where the GoldWing went.
Yeah.
So
yeah,
it's a self-made story.
Yeah. Wow.
And they didn't have to go for super performance. They went for super luxury.
Wow. Yeah.
Sit on that thing and take off and go to California, go to Florida, go wherever.
You think Honda would ever bring back a true old school naked style like they did the CB1100s, I would buy one in a heartbeat. I mean, I've got a CB1100 and I absolutely love it. You know, and I just think, man, this style would be so cool.
Well, let me say this about that. That bike runs as good as when it was original.
Right.
As good as.
Yeah.
And a lot of it has to do with what Honda did to make it do that.
Right.
They made their engines bulletproof. I mean, you could shoot that with a deer rifle and it would still take you down the road.
Wow.
Metaphorically speaking.
Yeah.
But they're just bulletproof engines.
Hard to make any better.
Whatever you put that engine on, it's going to perform.
Yeah.
And why not just let it roll?
Let it roll, yeah. Wow.
And Honda makes GoldWings and they do well. I doubt if they'd ever go back.
Right.
I wouldn't mind seeing it.
Wow.
I doubt if they'll ever return to that.
Well, Mr. Pete, I appreciate your time, man. It's good to meet you in person. I know we've seen each other on Facebook and everything, so
I appreciate
you know. You got an old 75 or a GL1000, 1100. You need it taken care of your carbs. See this man, Pistol Pete, right here. Thank you, Mr. Pete.